Hello everyone. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 1st, 2020. We have here 7 Sudokus, extra Sudokus. One with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and a binary. So total of 7 Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku with a 1 star. And this will be number 1661. And I have already counted the printed digits. Total in this Sudoku 27 as usual. Yes. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. This second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers in the second column are the 4, the 8, and the 6. 4, 8, 6 are missing in this second column. We have the 4 and the 8 and the 6 in this big square, so no 4 and the 8 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4, 8, and the 6 goes in those 3 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 8 and the 6 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this in this column, the second column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, let me mark them for you. It's a pair in a big square, so it's easier to mark them. The other 2 numbers, 7 and 9. No, we have the 9 here. 7 and a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column for the numbers 5 and 8. No, 8. We have 5 and 4. 5 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see the 1 and the 2 here, so no 1 and the 2 there. 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them. 1 and 2, it's a pair. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Then let me see. We have the 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. And look, we have a 5 there, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 3 and the 6 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair, so we have 2 pairs. 6 and a 5 and a 1 and a 9. So we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so in the last row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1. All right. Let me see. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row only place for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 is missing. 7 should be there. 5, 7, and the 8 is missing. 8. Yes. 8 is missing. 7, 5, 8. 7, 5, 8 in this column. And we see here and 7 and 8. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. The 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next. Only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see, yes. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8. 8, oh. Let me position the camera. Alright. Yes. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digit number 3. How about the 3 and all the 3s are used? I can see digit number 3, yes. Digit number 4, is this alright? How about 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And then 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9 and 5. Let me mark them for you. 9 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the number 6 is missing. So now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 9 and this should be a 1. 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. 2 digits left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 9. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 2-star Sudoku, so see you later. Bye bye for now.